Three things are certain in life: death, taxes, and ABD firing. What an innings! He just overshadowed Maxwell's innings. I completely forgot that Maxwell scored 78 odd runs. That's the beauty of ABD. Two freak shows going on yesterday at Chepauk. Freak shows. I said it in my preview, anything above 160 is a good score because leave 220, 230 will be reaching 182 will be difficult. But then I didn't count in aliens batting. If I had counted, then yes, aliens, Maxwell, ABD. People were telling it's the 12th and 16th over. That is the phase that teams start losing the plot. They hung in there, they went berserk. 204 on a Chepauk track. They are the only team this year to score a 200 plus score at Chepauk. It just shows the batting capabilities of these two superheroes. I think superheroes is something that it's a less dignifying word. I need something more than that. Freak shows. Mumbai done, Hyderabad done, Calcutta done. 3 wins out of 3. It's the first time in the history of RCB, in the history of playing in the IPL, they have won 3 back-to-back, first 3 matches. If that's not progression, I don't know what is it. Complete performance, batting, fielding, bowling. They did a bold decision by taking in Patitor in place of Christian, playing 3 foreigners. And there was only one instance in the IPL that a team has won playing with 3 foreigners. That was Mumbai Indians way back in I think 2011. There were I think 7 instances. I think RCB is now gone into that list. That's a bold decision. And it goes on with our motto: play bold. That's how you get results. I felt they could have played Adam Zampa in place of Daniel Christian, but the problem is the batting gets a bit weak. Padikkal, he played well. That reverse sweep by him, I didn't expect him to play that. Superb shot. You don't. He's type of a classical batsman. You don't find like this type of batsmen going for those shots. Superb shot. Maxwell, those reverse sweeps. He's already scored 179 odd runs. He has scored more than what he had scored in the last season and the last to last season. So that's progression. He's feeling comfortable around Virat Kohli, AB de Villiers. It the moment RCB scored that was done and dusted. There was just 0.5% chance of KKR winning the game. That was through Russell. And yes, he did cause a lot of heartbreaks the past 3 seasons. The moment Siraj came and bowled that 19th was superb. Wide Yorkers, it's so difficult to execute it. Wide Yorkers, superb. He's grown into a main leading bowler after that Australian tour. And Harshal Patel, don't be surprised. You all can come and troll me on this video. Harshal Patel will be getting an international cap sooner or later if he continues bowling like this. Superb bowling, the slower balls, everything. It's the Indian uncapped players that are supporting your foreign players in our team. Previously, it was just the foreign players. There was no Indian uncapped players or Indian players. Superb bowling performance. I just have one question for Virat Kohli. Why did he give Chahal the last over? He could have, off his spell, he could have given it to Siraj. Siraj had 2 overs. I seriously don't know because that brought the equation down. He got smacked for 20 overs. That's what happened when you do takatak patapat. Seriously, he still needs to work on his bowling. Bowling short. Why will you bowl short to Russell? He's going to go back and whack it all day long. And AB de Villiers, oh my god. Ola and Uber should hire AB de Villiers. Because, in Bangalore especially, because he can find you gaps, the places where you can go and he'll drop you at your destination way before time. Because he's that kind of a player. He'll find you gaps, even if there's no gaps. And in Bangalore traffic, it's so difficulty to find a gap. But if you hire AB de Villiers, he'll find you the gaps. Freak show. Maxi, good performance. Overall, a very good performance. Happy with the boys. This was the last match at Chennai. After this, we are going to Wankhede. It will be a night match on Thursday. It's against the Rajasthan Royals. 3 matches. We have a 100% record over there this season. I think we all RCB fans, I think we would like to thank the Chepauk Stadium the ground staff, the people behind the scenes, the camera personnel, the people sanitizing the equipments, everybody, the hotel staff, because in this hard times it's really difficult. So we're going to Wankade. That too isn't a good hunting ground for us. Hopefully we can change it and 100% record. If might be 6 points, and I'm saying it again, we must not get overexcited. 6 points. I know you all might be laughing, but my aim is 22. I know that's quite a lot. Manageable. First match, haters. Hey, fluke, Bob. Second match, okay, fluke. Third match, we have won. Okay, fine, luck. The moment we start winning 6 on 6, they'll be like, okay, fine, I'm shitting myself right now. Next match, Thursday, I'll be doing a preview for that. So, well played.